I don't know if this is the right thing, but I don't know. Repair, seam and repair. There you go. It does say that one of the uses is for RV trailer and mobile home roofs. So let's fix it up. I guess is cleaning off the dirt here before I seal it. But I paid extra to get a rubber roof because apparently rubber roofs last forever. And this is what I got. And the next part was to dry it off. As far as what it looks like underneath here, look at this. There's the old stuff. This was laid on top here, I guess. I mean, I don't know how this is supposed to be done, so. But that's how they did it. You can see kind of few squares. Okay, I see. It's a patch here. And that's what happens. These patches are cracking along the edges. Let's see. It's glued onto the roof, I guess. Yeah, because there's the wooden roof, but I don't know. I thought it was a liquid, but it's like some sort of a putty or something. So this is it. This is all I have here. But now I need somebody to fix my my trailer here. Limitless 4x4, go like their page, watch them as they're fixing my golf cart. Now I need somebody to fix my RV. Thank God I fixed the roof today. Let's see what happens. Wow. On another note, I'd like to thank you guys for all the comments on the last video. Love you guys are awesome. But check out the link in the description. I did a review on his Facebook page. You gotta read his response, amazing.